Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created and I'm going to remove this text from this video. Okay, we're going to duplicate this video. You can click on the video and then you're going to choose the duplicate option. Okay, and then you're going to make it as an overlay, so you can click on switch and then you can make the video align with the first video. Okay, and then guys, we're going to apply mask, so we can go to the mask and then I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then we can take another part of this video to cover the text. Okay, you can choose the suitable part that can cover the text, and I'm going to take this part and click on the check mark, and then you're going to cover the text with this mask. Okay, you can keep adjusting guys until you're satisfied with how it looks, and then to make it more natural, I recommend you to apply the adjustment. But where is the adjustment? Okay, right here. Go to filter, go to the adjust, and then you can adjust the lightness like this. And as you can see that it's completely gone from my video. So the text has been removed. But I know guys that this method cannot be applied to all types of video, especially when the text is moving, or especially when the text is on the part that is so hard to cover. And yeah, but at least here I show you the method to remove the text. And if the text is moving, you can use the keyframe feature. Wait, so you can add keyframe shown by this icon, and then you can make the mask follow the moving text if your text is moving. Okay, and okay guys, that's how we can remove unwanted text from a video using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.